Welcome back to another trade recap. I'm gonna try to make it quick, but so we've been in a downtrend, and today I was aiming for these weekly lows to get swept, so I was bearish, and then as we can see, we had this 4-hour fair value gap, which I knew we could hit, but I was not expecting us to hit it before we took out either this 4-hour sell side or this. But I was bearish today because of these weekly lows. So dropping to the 1 hour, I should have waited for us to enter into the 4-hour fair value gap before taking shorts. But I wanted this sell side to get hit because I wanted us to manipulate down before coming back up, which we didn't, but I still caught a nice trade on the funded. So looking at the 5-minute, price opens down, we have this 5-minute fair value gap, so drop down to the 1 minute, and as we come up, okay, so when we come up, enter in the 5-minute, and then the 10-second I turn on. Yeah, so once we got into the 5-minute, change the state here. Once this candle closed, I entered shorts there, stops above here. I think for this sell side with 15 seconds. With break even here. But what happened was I entered, price dumped, and I accidentally went in with one contract instead of 13 on MNQ. So then I didn't have any to take partials here. So then when I tried to just close it, my trading view was not working, and price ran up back to my break even, and so I just let it play out. And then once it did get back down to my break even, I sold, and it was for like $1,000, 900 something. So yeah, that was the first trade. And then I did take another short, like somewhere around here. I'd have to look at the eval again, but I'm not sure where I took the short, but I went super small, and I got stopped out, which I should have expected price to come back up without even needing to take out these lows, but yeah. So I lost about $204 on the eval, which was a stupid trade, and I shouldn't have. I should have just either waited for the sell side to get taken and look for longs, otherwise just wait for price to come up into the 4-hour fair value gap and wait for shorts, which I could have after looking at price, because we had an SMT here, and then we took this high there, we go to the 5-minute, we failed to take that high, the 940 high, while ES does, and then I could have looked for shorts targeting the sell sides and all that. So yeah, I could have waited for that, but I guess I was just confident and stuck to thinking that price was going to take out the sell side before coming up. So I guess on that first trade I did get lucky, but either way, if I went in with the with like 13 to 15 contracts on MNQ, then I would have had that break even, so I would have taken like 10 or 8 there, and then would have got stopped out at break even, so it would have been a good trade either way. But overall, my eval account, I shouldn't have won this trade. I don't think it was a good trade, just because I should have waited for the price to come back up into the 4-hour for value gap before making its move down. So yeah, I just gotta keep that in mind. And then looking at news today, we got unemployment at 7:30, and so nothing really happened at 7:30. The data highs and data lows already got taken out. So yeah.